What's going on, guys? Joe from Messer HQ. I recently picked up a rare and gorgeous Böker Sportmesser. This one right here. It's a pre-World War II example, and it's just in wonderful condition. I'm really excited to share it with you. I've got some other pre-World War II Sportmessers in the background, along with one modern for some support. But we're going to focus mostly on this one here. Let's take a look at these covers. Just great looking Stag. Big thick slabs, pretty evenly matched. It's got threaded nickel silver bolsters, a nickel silver shield. Now, when we're talking about pre-World War II Böker Sportmessers, this is what we're looking for. Just a shield with a tree in a ring. Later models, post-war models, for the most part, will have Solingen written underneath the tree. So we have brass liners. Great looking decorative bail. Yeah, let's open her up. Wipe off the blade real quick. Spear point blade, it's swedged, mirror finish. It appears to be full, and I don't believe it's been sanded on or anything. The blade edge is pretty much perfectly intact. Really cool pre-World War II Böker tree blade etch. And interestingly enough, when I bought my Zebu horn, the guy told me that the blade etch was a pre-World War II blade etch on the Zebu horn. So there you go, that's pretty cool. Take a look at the tang stamps. H. Böker & Co. Solingen. And on the back we have a big tree. Then we have secondary clip point blade. Also full. Wipe the blade real quick. H. Böker & Co. Solingen. We also have a tree. Now we have the opening layer. Our cap lifter screwdriver. There are little trees on all of these tools. This one's on the back. Old style can opener. And on the back, we have our corkscrew. The whole construction of this knife is just solid. It's tight, nothing wiggles, nothing wobbles. You can see inside the wells, very clean. Last, we have the tough spring, the awl with the original bluing still on the back. So all in all, a really cool example to have in my collection. I'm really happy to have it. I'm excited to hear what you guys think about it. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you want to continue seeing content like this. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.